So one of the things coming out of the miracle start to the test career of Guyanese fast bowler Shamar Joseph is the suggestion that Cricket West Indies and indeed the wider corporate Caribbean need to go into their pockets and make sure Shamar Joseph is taken care of financially so he won't have to turn his back on the West Indies team to go play franchise cricket. But you know, say, fundamentally, I have a problem with that. Now, first of all, Cricket West Indies cannot match or even come close to the franchise money. Next thing, Shamar Joseph putting West Indies on his back to bowl out teams and win test matches. That is an unsustainable plan going forward. The issues crippling West Indies cricket remain. So let us not sacrifice Shamar Joseph's earning potential for a lost West Indies cause. It would be just short of criminal to prevent this poor youth from going out and earning all the money that franchise cricket is willing to pay him. In the name of West Indies cricket, allow the youth to strike the iron while it's hot.